Hey, welcome to another episode of beersjackofbbq. So today, back on the Slow N Sear Kettle, doing two nice looking Wagyu ribeyes from Wiens Wagyu. We'll put the link in there for if you want to order them. They're supposed to be back in stock in August. But this is all part of that same deal when I got the tri-tip, and hopefully you saw the tri-tip as our first cook on the SNS Kettle. But today, it's going to be a quick one. These are both 14-ounce Wagyu ribeyes. A lot of marbling in them. I left the fat on them. I really didn't trim them up too much. And pretty much today it's going to be sear first. And probably that's going to be it because we like medium rare, probably on the low end of medium rare. So we'll do some readings after we sear these. I'm going to sear them a minute aside. And I'm probably going to check them and sear them probably another minute aside, hopefully is the plan. And at that point, they may just be done. So they may be coming off. So we'll see you on the grill for a quick one. I got a chimney of charcoal going right now. I'm using the Fogo Charcoal, which is something I like to do for steaks, and we'll see you over there. All right, let's get them on. It's a little bit of smoke here going on just because I just stirred everything up to make sure, try to keep it as hot as I can get it here. Steaks are looking nice though. Like I said, just going to go a minute aside here and see what happens. All right, that was 1 minute. All right, another minute here. Looks like we'll easily be able to go another minute each side. All right, there's another minute. Finally got a little bit of something going on here. Didn't quite have this as hot as I should to be doing this sear at this point, I'm thinking at this point, but we'll see what we get. Another minute. All right, there's another minute. There's one more minute before we check anything out, but I think we're starting to get there now. There we go. All right, there was another minute. I'm gonna check some temperatures now. Yeah, that's almost there. So, let me just see what this other side looks like. I had 115 on one and 119 on the other. I'm just gonna go back on a little bit just to try to finish off to get a nice looking sear here. Probably about 45 seconds and I'll pull them off. All right, gonna yank them off. Yeah. That looks nice. Perfect. We'll cut it. I'm going to tent these a little bit, and then we'll cut into them and show you what they look like inside. As always, cheers. All right, so here we are, done with the cook. Two nice looking Wagyu ribeyes from Wiens Wagyu. They're both 14 ounces. The only thing I didn't say at the beginning, the only thing I did was actually hit them was kosher salt about 2 hours before the cook. I do it longer, but with these I didn't want to do too much to them, and they were a little bit thin. So did it that way, let them sit, got the grill going. I should have had it hotter when I started, but it worked out. We got it to, the one was 120, one was 117 when I did the last like 45-second sear. So hopefully when I cut into them, you're going to see them. They're a good medium rare. Hopefully about 130 is probably where they got to. So let's see what they look like when we cut into this. Nice and tender. It looks like we got it. Let's try a taste. Wow, that was really a good bite. Definitely could tell a little bit of salt I put on it. Something I didn't do on the tri-tip I did before, and I was not sure I hit it exactly where I wanted to on the tri-tip, but it was very good and very beefy. It's just a different cut of meat. Rib is my favorite, and man, that tastes good. So hopefully this is going to be a quick one when you see it. So hopefully, like we're seeing, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.